Hi, I'm Don, and this is The Hobbyist Geek. Alright, today we are continuing with the Ghostbusters build. We have our parts for stage 63, and we have the correct magazine this time, issue 18. So, looks like we're going to be doing some more interior detail here. Let's crack this open and see what we got. Alrighty, here are the parts that we get with this issue. We have the rear left component station. We have two latitude longitude processor fronts, two latitude longitude processor rears, and an AN-UNH6 magnetic tape sound reproducer, along with some screws. Alright, fairly simple stage here. We're going to take the base here, and you can see there are some raised pieces to it. These wider ones right here are for the processor fronts. That's these right here, and they should just slide right in. There is a little peg right there. Sorry about that. There's a little peg right there, so it should slide into that lower hole, fit in nice and flush, and you can use an AP screw to attach it. And we're going to do the same thing back here, but it's going to reverse direction. Alright, with that complete, we're going to move on to these processor rears. That's these pieces right here. And again, there's a little post down here to help line it up. It's going to go on this spot and this spot. And if you look real close, you can see there's a little hole on the side of the raised bit to help keep it lined up. This time they're both going to go in the same direction. And should just slide right in. And then we're going, wow, there it goes. Woo! And then we're going to use another AP screw on the bottom to hold it in place. Okay, and with those in place, the only thing left is the sound reproducer. That's this bit right here. And you can see there's a little section here that's got some rails on the edge. That's going to go in this direction. If you're holding it like this, it'll go towards the left, so that the detailed part will be facing towards the rear. It should just fit right over, just like that, and one more AP screw to hold it in place. And there you have it. This rear detail is complete, and now let's bring out the car interior. Alright, with the interior out, you can see these four larger screw bases here, and there are four posts on the bottom of the detail here. It's going to fit in this direction with this detail here towards the rear of the vehicle, and it should just slide into place, and we're going to use 4 AP screws to hold it in place. And there you have it. The new detail is assembled and installed, and that completes stage 63. Alrighty, a short and sweet issue, but yet another awesome piece of detail added to the interior of the vehicle here. This is coming along nicely. I can't wait for the next one. If you like the video, please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Have a great day.